Good evening, my brothers and sisters, boys and girls. It is October 15th at 7:38 p.m. Central Standard Time. We're going to take a look at some fun stuff here today. Take a look at this. We actually were getting hit with plasma. Looks like we got up to about 20 centimeters cubed with density. It started hitting around 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, or excuse me, UTC time, so that would put it at 5 hours behind that. So we're looking at 8 a.m. this morning, and it lasted all the way until, well, started coming back down about 3 a.m. So basically it'll be lasting until about 10 o'clock tonight. Yippee-ki-yay, mother kisser. Kind of nice, huh? Another thing that's kind of cute. We did get another flare this afternoon, about 10 o'clock in the morning Central Standard Time. This was the primary target of where it hit, so we did get a little bit here, nothing major. But this is what I think is so cute. This right here is their prediction wave, predicted values for sunspots and solar activity, and we are way above the threshold, way above it. For sunspots, yeah. Okay, folks. I don't know how they could predict that, but okay. And here's the radio flex progression. As you can see, we're above the chart quite a bit. In fact, you can see in previous years we kind of dropped below, up and down. No. We have not even come close to being below it once. So let's see what else we got up here I can show you. Oh, there's a lot of really cute stuff with this. If you guys pay attention, you see this right here? This is the arm that holds the disc covering the sun, right? Usually it's up here. How is it down there? Did they invert it? Like as above, so below? I don't know. You tell me. And we're actually gonna jump over here. Oh, by the way, this was Space Weather Prediction Center, NOAA. That's where I'd like to start. Right here is SDO, NASA, and you can see all the good stuff. We're gonna go ahead and maximize this. We're gonna try and fly through this a little bit. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit. We're gonna go to about 75%. Come on. We'll start her over because it does like to fly through. Here we go. Obviously you saw that big pop there. But you see this darker color here? These darker colored areas? This is all plasma. It's all filament. And you can see and then you can see also all of it around here. This is coming around the bend. Oh, wow. Didn't that almost like disappear? Like, where did it go? Space. The final frontier. Yeah, we've got a lot of action going on. Our sun is not very happy. That was a lot coming off. I mean, look at all this plasma. We're going to wind up getting blasted here pretty soon. Well, actually, we've been getting hit all day. Now, the date on this, if you look down here, this says the 13th. So when that came off was probably the 11th or the 12th. Yeah, let's wait for it to start over and we'll take a look here. That's 14th. So when it first popped was on the 12th. So the fact that it's getting here, it's actually moving pretty quick. This is another really fun one, and wait till I get to the other one over there. You guys are gonna be like, what? I got something in fiction. We're gonna actually go through and take a peek. Okay, I started over here, so that's good enough. No, it's not. I'm gonna start over. Sorry, folks. You can see the pop. Oh, did you see that right there in the middle? What was that? Let's see that again. Oh, that beautiful bean fudge. Oh, did you see that? It's one of my little friends. Now all of a sudden you'll also see all the black boxes that kind of come up. Obviously, trying to cover something. What are they covering? I don't know. What are they hiding? I don't know. This is my money. This is my taxpayer money. That right there, what you just saw was the lens cleaners. It actually goes up and down and it cleans off the lenses so you can get a nicer, cleaner picture. Which is normal. It's alright. There's nothing wrong with that. Go ahead and pause these so it'll slow down. Won't slow me down too much now. Oh, did you see that to the right? Oh yeah, we're gonna roll this beautiful bean footage here in just a second. We're gonna slow her down half speed, and we're gonna slow her over. But now pay attention, folks. You're gonna see things going up, down. Oh, seen there was one over here. There'll be another one over here. Some in the middle. But really pay attention as we start getting down the line here. Right there. Look at my cursor here, okay? As we start getting down the line over here, you're gonna see something huge going up. And it's like a huge, like almost like a cylinder. It's enormous. I'll see if I can stop it for you and I'll pull it back. I've never in my life got something this massive in a perfect straight, like like a cylinder. It's really weird to look at and see. It's like, wait, what was that? You'll see it. Oh, there it was. Did you see that? What in the fragnog is that? What is that? Whoa, what is this little guy? And I mean, that looks like a propulsion or something. I don't know what this is. Look at that. Beautimous. What's going on in outer space? What's going on in our sun? I don't know. But this one right here, I love a lot because you really get to see the pops. You get to see the waves that's going on, the solar tsunamis, if you will. Well, I'll just leave this one at full speed and you'll watch when she starts over. Okay, watch. Boom. Do you see that? Oh, yeah. That's a lot. Now, if you also see, look at this stuff over here. You'll see like little tornadoes on the sun. Like energy being spun up. See, like here and here. Here and here. Like, what is that? Like, is something sucking that up? Look at all of these. They're all like little tornadoes on the sun's surface. What the crap is that all about? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we can see a little better on this guy here. Let's see. Oh, actually, it looked like something just kind of shot off there. I might have to slow that down. I haven't actually looked at this one yet, folks. We might do that together here. Slow her down. Look at all them little tornadoes. Let's just go ahead and start her over, shall we? Watch over here. Oh, did you see that little... Right by where my cursor was. That was a beautiful thing. Look at all these little tornadoes here. Like something's pulling the energy off, like up here too. What is that? There's the lens. Alright, cleaning the lens off. Wow, look at it. It all of a sudden changed to the very next day. It took a long time to do that. Uh-oh. Black boxes of death. What? Now these here are coronal holes. This is a coronal hole, this is a coronal hole. This is actually going to be facing Earth. We're already getting some effects from this guy here. Man, did you see that other little flash over here? Something's going that way. But this right here is going to be facing us here. We're going to be getting the winds of this here pretty soon too. So we got this one hitting us here probably now, actually. We're probably starting to get the effects of it now. So we're going to have a whole lot of fun coming up here really soon. I'm not really seeing any designs or something, because a lot of times I'll see designs and I'll see things in here and I'm like, wait a minute. Like, I've seen the Phoenix. Ooh, did you see that explosion? Oh, beautiful. Our son is pissed. Ooh, there was another pop. Did you see that? Our son is so pissed. Not happy. So let's go ahead and tap on over to this guy here and see what we're looking at. Hopefully this thing will give us a little bit better view. But look at the tornado. Let's go ahead and start her over. Oh, see, and they're not even letting us see the pop from earlier today. Those little turds. The one that we saw earlier with the when the sun was red. They're not letting us see it. Oh, did you see all that coronal mass ejection from that pop? Oh, craziness. I ain't gonna lie, my butt got a little puckered on that when I saw it. I was like, it's so big. Watch this again. Watch this again. There's that little bugger there, and then this thing just goes, bah! Oh my gosh. That was huge, folks. Not even gonna lie. Let's check out something else. Okay, folks, here we are over at soho.nascom.gov, and this here is LASCO C3. This is what it looks like for the movie theater. All it does is it takes supposedly it takes a picture every 12 minutes. It doesn't. So this is C3, resolution 512. That's as high as you can get. And then I put the dates from the 13th to the 15th. Then you hit generate, and it pops it right out for you. Ooh, that was my sweetheart. So let's roll this beautiful bean footage, shall we? Oh, there is a lot of stuff going on here. Has anybody noticed that? Now look at the arm here. Here's the arm. Watch here in a minute. It's gonna pop down here. Oh, wait a minute. What happened? What is it doing down here now? What are they doing? I don't know. I couldn't tell you. Now, are you guys also seeing all the Borg cubes? Don't worry. My next video, I'm going to be showing you all a lot. I got so many photos and screenshots of multiple Borg cubes and ships and stuff. It's beautimous. And we're going to go over here to C2. That's this one right here. And I'll slow this one down a little bit more for you so you can kind of see what's going on. In fact, I'll slow this down even more. I'll go down to 7 frames a minute just because it plays pretty fast and it's kind of hard to really get a decent look at it. Take a look at all the action going on. It's incredible. Oh, what was that? Oh yeah. And there's a couple of really nice ships in here too, folks. When I start getting into my photos, I'm going to start showing you guys a bunch of screenshots. And when I do my screenshot, oh, did you guys see that? Ooh, let me back it up for you. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. There's one of my little buddy with his wings. Just wait. There's more. There's another one over here where he's coming down. Oh, it's beautiful. There's actually a lot of them, kind of small, but this one, and then there's another one up here that's just completely immaculate. Like, I love them. It's like, oh, thank you. Oh, you saw one going up. I'll stop it here for you here in a second. Ooh, not there yet. Come on, where you at, baby? Boom! Did you see him? Let's back him up. Oh, hey, buddy. Look at that. There's the head of the bird, wings, and his tail. In fact, just for boo-hoo's sake, there you go. That's right, folks. And here's another one here. There's his propulsion right there, and there he is right there. Folks, we're not alone. There's so many of them. It's crazy. Please stay safe out there, everybody. Keep your eyes peeled, like literally. Look up at the sky. Look up at nighttime. Look up during the day. I mean, if you can have something where you can filter the sun and look through it that way, by all means. You might be surprised what you see. Start looking up in the clouds. You'll start seeing chemtrails. It's insane. There's so much going on. They're trying to block us and not letting us see it. Love you guys. Everybody stay safe.